Here, I'll try to make this short so that you don't have to embrace the fact that this movie actually exists.
You don't have to go while you got ammo.
It's terrible. I mean, when it starts out, it's kind of boring, but it seems like it's heading somewhere in the first act. And the second act happens, it seems like it's heading somewhere possibly interesting, even though the whole 1 year thing is really annoying, and it does get really terrible in that second act. Then you're thinking it's going to lead up into some really big third act, something that might be actually good. That third act never happens. It stays in the second act the entire time. Seriously, the ending for this movie happens at the end of the second act. Oh yeah, and it's like a 5-minute long fight with no investment in anything. The characters, the situation, what's going on, the villain, Doctor Strange. No, he is pretty strange, but it's meant to be Doctor Doom, or Doctor Dumb as it is here, and he's hardly developed. I haven't read the comics, but I'm pretty sure he's very different from the comics. Basically, this movie is crap. It's poor direction, poor acting, poor pacing, poor special effects, and there's a heavy dose of studio involvement in there, plus some really weak characterizations and horrible writing. This movie gets a 1 out of 10 simply because it starts out okay. Then it just completely gets crap. So, never watch it. It's one of the worst superhero movies ever made. That's all for this video. If you like it, please subscribe and join the Team Marvel.